Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from VerifyWise. Incident management is the fire alarm for your AI governance program. EU AI Act Article 73 requires providers to report serious incidents to market surveillance authorities. And ISO 42001 Clause 20.2 requires a documented corrective action process. This tab is where those two obligations get met. This is the incident management register. It's empty right now, so we see three help cards: what counts as an incident, how to document root cause, and how to assign owners. Up top, there is a filter, group, columns, and search for slicing the register once entries exist. We'll click the Add New Incident button in the top right. The drawer opens with four label sections: incident information, impact assessment, response and actions, and approval and reporting. I'll fill it top to bottom. AI use case for this, we'll be selecting AI powered resume screening. The incident type I'll select as data corruption. For severity, I'll go with serious. And for status stays open while the investigation runs. I'll set the occurred date as 15th and the detected date as 24th April. I'll assign myself as the reporter and model system can be GPT-4. Now coming over to the impact assessment. For the categories of harm, I'll tick box rights and that's about it. Affected persons, I'll just write female applicants for senior backend engineering roles. For the description, I'll write in during a fairness audit of 5,000 screen resumes, female candidates for female backend engineering roles were ranked on average 14% lower than equally qualified male candidates. I'll assign the relationship as training data underrepresents female senior engineers. Now coming on to the response and actions, for the immediate mitigations taken, I can say suspended automated ranking for senior engineering roles, and planned corrective actions can be retrained on a rebalanced dataset. Now coming over to the approval and reporting section, for approval status stays pending. I'll select myself as the approved file since there's only one member in my team as of now. And I'll set the approval date as the last date of this month. And that's about it. I'll click on Save Incident. Now, this register now has a first entry wired to the use case, the model, and the underlying bias risk. From here, owners get notified and the corrective actions carry their own audit trail through the audit ledger. In this section, we've shown you how to log an AI incident end-to-end from occurred versus detected dates through categories of harm and root cause into mitigations and an interim approval path that satisfies EU AI Article 73 and ISO 42001 Clause 10.2. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.